today we are recording a video of how to drive or how not to drive in Ireland. And probably one of the most important things to know is that you need to be driving on the left-hand side, as you see here. And in addition, unlike the States where you have a double yellow line indicating that the road is two-way, there's instead a white segmented line, and sometimes the other lane is going in the same direction you are, and sometimes it's going in the opposite direction. So it's very important to make certain that you are going in the correct direction, because otherwise you could be facing a head-on collision, which would be a very bad thing. If you are uncertain about which direction to go, just stay in the left lane. Generally speaking, we found that Google Maps is a great way to navigate, and just as a safeguard, we purchased a hotspot through Travel Wi-Fi, which enables us to get a very, very good signal, so that way we can make certain that Google Maps is working correctly for us. The driver is going to be on the right side of the vehicle, and my awesome and beautiful wife is our driver today. You can see that not all weather in Ireland is rainy. It's cloudy today, although we did have a bit of rain this morning. Join us for our next video, in which we will focus upon how to handle traffic roundabouts or traffic circles, and we'll discuss the different road markings you will see on the roads of Ireland.